Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural sensitive skin serum. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this natural serum for sensitive skin. It's got a slightly yellowy tinge to it, and that's from our active, which is Sensia carota, which is made from carrot stem cells. This active helps to reduce inflammation on the skin and redness on the skin. And it's also got this beautiful silky feel to it, really lightweight, almost like a silicone feel, and that's due to our natural gel that we've used through it, Siligel SF. We will begin with the water phase. Because there's no heating in this formula, I can add my preservative and active in now. This is Sensia carota, which is a 100% natural water-soluble active from carrot stem cells that calms and protects sensitive skin. This active targets inflammation, offering short and long-term redness solution, as well as working to protect against free radical damage. And my broad-spectrum preservative is also natural. Now I will create a slurry with some humectant, and this is Siligel SF, an eco-conscious gelling agent made from 100% natural origin material. It's also vegan and halal friendly. This gel gives the serum a beautiful silk touch feel, which feels similar to silicone on the skin. Now I'll just pop that on the mixer to combine. Once the gel has formed, I can add in my lipid phase. I'm using rice bran oil for its light, elegant skin feel and skin softening properties. And I will protect the plant oil with some tocopherols. I'm not using any fragrance or essential oils today to avoid any irritation that might come from these. Now that that's all combined, I can take it off and check and adjust the pH to between 5 and 5.5. We have this natural sensitive skin serum, which you can see has a slightly yellowish tinge to it, and that's from the Sensia carota extract, which is our active to reduce redness and inflammation on the skin, and we use that at the maximum input to get maximum redness reduction. See? And that's how easy it is to make a natural sensitive skin serum. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!